Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you are new here. My name is Shayna Renee, and make sure you consider subscribing to my channel if you enjoy my content. I put out new beauty/lifestyle videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Today's video, guys, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, guess what? I found out that I got an Ipsy Glam Bag in the mail yesterday, and this is the card it came with, and I got 5 beauty products. I'm super excited to show you guys what I got because a lot of this stuff is really, really nice, and this is such a cute bag. Like, it's so luxury, and it feels like leather, but it's like not leather, but it's so nice. This is so nice. And yes, this is just the Ipsy Glam Bag. I do not have the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, but I did get 5 beauty products, and we are going to go through them, and I'm so excited. And if you guys do want to go check out Ipsy, I will leave the link down in the description for you guys. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out. And without further ado, guys, let's just get right into this video because I'm so excited. I'm ready. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I got this little card that comes with all the beauty products I got and their descriptions. So I'm just going to go through these one by one. The first one we have is the xoxo Lash Alert Mascara. I was so excited to get this because I've gotten the xoxo liquid eyeliner, and they are amazing. So I'm super excited to try this mascara out. I'm always in the need for a new mascara. I'm always looking for a mascara that will wear nice and that will not clump up. So I'm super excited to try this. It says, your lashes are in good hands with this. It is infused with caffeine and fibers that curl, add volume, and define. It also improves elasticity for healthier, fuller lashes. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, and this is it. Wow, the wand is like, I've never seen a mascara wand like this before. The wand is like kind of curled up. That's really cool. Okay, so that was the first product. I'm super excited to test it out. The second product I got is this Kenzie Life Beat perfume, and oh my gosh, I love perfumes, and this is actually a pretty big sample size perfume. This is, let's see, 10 milliliters or 0.34 fluid ounces, so this is quite a perfume sample. I'm so excited to smell this. Okay, so I just need to pump it a few times. Oh my gosh, that smells good. Okay, I see you, Kenzie. Oh yes, this is definitely my new favorite perfume. Okay, so let's read about this perfume. This trend-setting fashion brand, known for its feminine and soft designs, is also killing it in the fragrance game. One whiff of this citrusy floral scent and you'll be totally addicted. And I was. We literally take it everywhere. The portable size is fab for spritzing on the go. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be loving that perfume. Smells so good. Alright, the third item I got is the Ciate London Glow 2 Highlighter in Moon Dust. I'm always so excited when I get a new highlighter or when I get to try out a new highlighter. So I'm super, super stoked to see just how good this highlighter is because I've heard of this highlighter before. Okay, so it says Ciate is known for innovative formulas. This illuminating powder is no exception. This champagne pink velvety soft highlighter has celestial duochrome pearls that reflect light to give you a gorge lit from within glow. Okay, so it just comes in a little pan, so you have to be super careful with this. Okay, that's a pretty good highlighter. I'll have to see how it looks on my face, but oh yeah, that is very, very luminescent. Really interesting. I'm super excited to test this out. Okay guys, so the next item I got, I'm super excited about because this is the Luxie Beauty Precision Blending Eye Brush 243. I've heard this brush is bomb. I've heard this brush is amazing. It blends so seamlessly. I've been wanting to try some new brushes, so I'm super glad that I got a new brush to try. So this says Luxie's mastered the art of high quality vegan and cruelty-free brushes. This one has a tapered brush head that fits right into the contours of your eye, perfect for adding a subtle smoky eye or definition to your eye looks. And they even put the brushes in these little sleeves so they don't get messed up in transport, which is really nice. That's really cool. I like that. I definitely am so excited to try this brush. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Alrighty guys, the last item I got in my Ipsy Glam bag for February is the Balm Alternative Rock Volume 1 eyeshadow in Take It For Granted. When I first saw this, I thought it was a lip balm because it says the balm. I had no idea it was gonna be an eyeshadow, but this says founder Marissa Shipman's products are pumped with girl power. If you're looking to stand out, this shimmery lilac with gray undertones is your go-to. It's highly pigmented, very buildable, and goes on buttery smooth. Oh, I'm always up for a new eyeshadow pigment. Woo! This is actually so cool, guys. The packaging, oh my gosh. This is so cute. Oh, it's so cute. It's so small and like, oh my gosh. They really did a really great job with the packaging because like normally single eyeshadows aren't this like decorated and like fancy. Okay, let's swatch this. No way. This is such a beautiful color. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's definitely beautiful. You could even use this as a highlighter, I feel like. Colorful, it's just kind of like shimmery and nice as like a topper for your eyeshadow. I really like the name too, Take It For Granted. That's cute. You guys can see that beautiful shine, shimmer. Alrighty guys, that was pretty much it for my Ipsy Glam bag for February. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys want me to try out any other beauty subscription services or anything like that, definitely let me know. I love getting new products in the mail and I love reviewing them for you guys and showing you guys what I got. And yeah, I was super impressed with everything I got this month in the Ipsy Glam bag. Like, holy cow, I got a full-size brush, I got a huge sample of perfume that is gonna take me, well, I don't know, it'll probably take me a couple weeks to finish. And I got an eyeshadow single. Like, this is amazing. Like, I love Ipsy. And yeah, I think that's about it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, as always, and I will see you in the next video.